take and hit that with the Raptor and knock it down the hill.
I hit it with the Raptor.
There it is. Let's go, baby! All right, what's happening, folks? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mr. Zachary. Today's episode, we're gonna do some fun stuff, some man shit, and we're gonna do it in God's country. Now look, if you've paid attention to the news recently or opened a single social media app, you probably got the feeling that we're on the verge of World War III. And I figured, what better time to brush up on some fundamental skills with a bunch of jabronis that I love. So here's the deal. We are gonna head up to Wyoming to go to the greatest shooting camp of all time, Highbar Homeland. It's a private ranch deep in northeast Wyoming and a really sick spot for people to come and absolutely dial in their shooting skills. We're gonna be taking a road trip up there and we're gonna be doing it in style because your boy can't be in a normal RV. And this is what we're driving. The Storyteller EPIC GXV is an absolute unit. It's basically a Winnebago on a whole lot of testosterone, and it can go absolutely anywhere. The whole thing's Rhino lined, it's got an incredible four-wheel drive system, and it has a modern Cummins 6.7 diesel platform that you can actually find parts for and service anywhere in the event of, I don't know, you manage to break it, which seems like a pretty long shot. So to kick this trip off, flew to Salt Lake City, we picked up the Storyteller EPIC. I am currently in the middle of this road trip, heading up to Wyoming. So on this trip, I finally got the chance to experience what it's like to not only drive, but live out of one of these rigs. Now, this thing is as massive as it is impressive, but it's not as cumbersome as you would think it would be. During the 600-mile road trip, I drove this thing through 8,000 foot of elevation changes on some twisty mountain roads with over 50% grade change, and the rig took it all in stride without a single hiccup. Now the cab is massive and comfortable, the controls are simple to use, and the fuel consumption is somehow better than my 1978 Jimmy. Now during my trip out, I left a little early so I could spend a night camping out of this thing to get the full experience, and it definitely did not disappoint. The appliances and electronics in this thing work flawlessly. The solar panel array on the roof provides so much energy that the generator only kicked on once just before dawn the night I camped in it. And that's with the AC on full blast and the fridge and freezer cranked to sub-zero levels. Now the bathroom and shower in this unit is super spacious, and the onboard water is fresh and hot within seconds of firing it up. The washer-dryer combo works better than the one in my house, and the bed is incredible. Whoever designed this mattress, they need a raise. All in all, the experience of driving this thing across the American West was awesome. It turns more heads than anything I've ever driven and instantly makes you the most popular person at any gas station you pull into. 10 out of 10 would recommend selling your house and just living out of one of these things.
First and foremost, it's a business that caters to the firearms industry professionals. So it's about 250 acres, and we've got now close to 30 ranges on property. We've got carbine intermediate distances to longer distances, DMR style, 500 and a hair over that for some of the unknown distances for DMRs. We've got flat ranges for pistol work and for rifle training. And then, we got a play range too that's got plate racks and Texas stars and dueling trees, those types of things. So you have great food, great housing, great lodging, and awesome ranges within a 5-minute drive of the front door.
Today we're gonna be shooting a bunch of 9mm with a bunch of jabronis. We got Dirty Kid boys, we got Sup Def, we got actual pros, and then we got me, who has no business being here. But we're gonna figure it out today. Let's go.
This morning, we're gonna do some FDP shooting. It's a Zev folding defensive platform. Here's the new packaging. Here's the box. You'll start, hands up, you'll deploy the gun. There won't be one in the chamber. There will be a full mag in the grip. Make ready. 1, 2, 3, 4 along the bottom. stop plate is in the middle of the middle row. Everyone got it?
Yeah, dude. Cheater. Nice.
There we go.
God. Got it.
I told you, 3 seconds to get it open.
3 seconds. No.
Let's go! Hold on. You were 5'7".
Hell yeah.
Smoking.
That's quick. That's the new standard.
So we got the first drill done here. We're gonna go up to Montucky and start a new challenge.
We're at Montucky right now. Closest place to Montana, and we do some Kentucky ass shit up here.
Okay.
So for this course of fire, what we're gonna do is there's a bunch of blue targets. We're calling this Blue Man Group. Okay. Will's gonna tell you how the course of fire goes.
Folding defensive platform challenge number 2. We're gonna do 2 hits on the first 3 blue pieces of steel right here, 4 times.
It might come back. I can feel it.
Let's do it.
All right, so we're here public range. We got to get some stuff set up before we do some shooting. My man Blake. So you see those cars up there on that hill? Yeah. Okay, you see this big rope?
Yeah.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna tie that rope to that there truck and then yoink that guy down, the one that's on its roof up there, and get right about there. And then the other one, we're gonna take and hit that with the Raptor and knock it down the hill.
You're gonna hit it with the Raptor?
Apparently. Not even my idea, but I'm f***ing here for it.
I'm here for it. Okay.
Yeah. Come forward just a hair. All right.
Right there.
There you go. There it is.
We're used to dealing with some new shooters most of the time. These guys are pretty experienced, but they like to get down and have fun.
Very good.
Ah, it's such a nice feeling. God, it's so cool. So we're here with my man Will, and he's going to teach me proper handling techniques of a pistol, because I got some bad habits. I want to fix them.
You're shooting the Zev Hypercomp. It's got 4 points pointing straight up on an island barrel, which means it stays there. The iron sights will stay with it. It won't reciprocate. Super rad. It also has their Zev Performance Magwell. A lot of fun and a lot of gun in a small package with the slide. This is a sweet gun, especially for your first few times shooting handgun a lot or fast. You've got a demon in your hands. So that's pretty cool, dude. We're gonna start focusing on grip. What I want you to think is, I don't want any unnecessary tension in the firing hand. I want these 3 fingers to pursue that meat paw right there, that pad, and that pad just to pursue them. All right, so a lot of times guys ask, hey, how tight should I squeeze the gun?
Yep.
Right? This is really easy. It's gonna be dependent on the shooter and their abilities, but I want you to take your support hand, bring the gun up, and squeeze it like 150%. And if you watch the gun, it's gonna tremble because I'm squeezing so hard. I mean, that thing is just trembling, right? I am crushing with my support hand. Now, all I want you to do is just take it to where it stops trembling.
Okay.
Right where it stops trembling is as much tension as you need.
Okay.
You with that?
Yeah.
Okay, when you hear the timer, you're gonna attack the pronunciation of the B-E-E-P as soon as you can. Does it make sense?
Yep.
Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Awesome, reset it, facing downrange. Awesome. Awesome. You feel like you can do it live now?
Yeah.
We'll do it live. All right. Fixate on that white spot. Finger off the trigger till you're ready. All right. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. All right. We have a 2/10 split. Check that out, dude.
Oh, nice.
Feels good. All right. Let's do it again. Look at that, big dog.
Yeah.
19. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. All right, let's go down range and have a look. We averaged 2/10. One of them was 2.3, the rest were 19. This is fantastic, man. So we had a little bit of movement, like we notice here, this happened. Yep. But the first two were cash, money, millionaire. That was very good. Nice. That's a great start, okay? All right, let me have you jump on the line real quick.
Oh, you're gonna.
Oh, you want me to?
Yeah, no, I want you to actually like, dude, give it like a real rip.
I will fake it until one of us makes it.
I saw him shoot yesterday.
Let's go to failure, so hopefully grip breaks down or tension comes in. So right there, my grip started breaking down just a little bit. I started blurring the line at the top of the target, but I'm happy with it. I'm still in the alpha box. 10s, one of them was a 0.09, 11s, and a couple that were 2.3. So I'll take it for right now. All right, so now what I want you to do is bring your gun up, and we're gonna start shooting doubles. You're gonna shoot when you see the shape of your red dot interrupting where your eyes are, you're gonna shoot again. All right, this timer is just for you to begin, okay? Yep. Don't just pull the trigger. I want you to shoot based on where your eyes are.
Oh.
Okay, so let's do that again. Just when you're ready. Look at that, alphas. Let that dot return where you're looking. Eyes fixate on that white spot. Yeah. Fantastic, all right. So let's go look at our progress, man. Check it out. Here's his pattern, right? Okay, this little trend right here, these are still alphas. You don't like the way they look, but they're still alphas and you don't get to do anything about that. All right, so this is awesome. For not shooting handgun ever, going right onto the range and shooting, that's fantastic. Especially understand how to track with time and accuracy what you're getting.
It makes sense. You know what, I noticed when I started getting off, it was like my grip, I noticed like my grip started slipping, or I lost focus on the actual dot and I tried to look at the red dot instead of the white dot.
Yeah, now what I'm gonna have you do is just, I'm gonna set the timer and you're gonna shoot 1, 2, 3, and these two poppers right here. 1, 2, 3, pop, pop. Got that? Stand by. There you go, awesome. I want you to see sooner. Heyo! 493. All right, nice job, bro.
Hey, I really appreciate it.
My pleasure.
This is fun. It feels really good to hit things and not miss them.
It sure is fun.
But I also have a lot to work on, but like I can't wait to actually like sit and mess with this a lot because I feel like this is important for everybody. Grit, eyesight. Yeah. If you want to learn more, there's a bunch of videos of this guy online.
Yeah, we actually, if you go to TXC Holsters YouTube channel, I have a thing called Drills with Will, and pretty much every video on there breaks down from basics of dry fire to setup of the holsters, to vision, to reloads, to scoop draw from a gamer rig, to a duty rig. We have everything laid out.
Let's do it. See ya. Wait, hold, no. Oh, just gotta lock it up, brother, okay. Right? All right, so that's gonna wrap it up here for Silencer Coast Summer Camp at Highbar Homeland. It's a hell of a good time. I learned a lot, and I hope you guys learned something too. And now, we're gonna go kick it by the campfire and have some cold ones. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that stuff. But we'll see you on the next one. Your boy needs a beer now. I feel like I'm moderately better at shooting.
Absolutely, way better. Light years ahead of where you came from, that's for sure.